Hey guys, my name is Robert Atwood. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Hummingbird Drones and Nova Maps, and I'm also an alumni of TRU. My entire professional life for the last 10 years has been trying to figure out how to make drones and wildfires more compatible. How do we get good information from drones about wildfires? And this journey started when I was a student at TRU and working for the BC Wildfire Service in the summertime. My crew leader and I, who eventually became my co-founder, we were patrolling fires. You know, we just take it for granted that we know where the hot stuff is on the landscape, that firefighters know where the heat is, but actually they don't. And what we would spend our time doing, sometimes for weeks on end, is patrolling fire landscape, using our senses, touching the ground, smelling for smoke, looking for heat. And what we realized is that we could probably do that a lot more effectively with drones, but it turns out it's actually also really hard. And so AI is playing a really big role in the software that we've developed to connect firefighters with better information about their fire landscapes. And we're now selling that software all over the world.